We need a thin one. Do 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 do. Ow. Ow. This is gonna be the bottom. These are the same size. One is the bottom, one is the top. But together, one is the bottom, one is the top. Do 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 do. I am here. I am fear. I am death. Oh hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. Is it the wrong way? No, it's not. Let's put it here. 1, 2, 4. I tie you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tie you. Here, 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 here. Okay. Hammer. 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 Splinter. I hate having splinters. Okay, it's no splinters, it's a pass-by splinter. I got drive-by splintered. So this one, I'm gonna put one in the middle here. I'm gonna cut both of those, and I'm gonna cut both of these tomorrow. I'm gonna come outside because smoke. Cut it from here. But I want to finish building this, so tomorrow, right away. So each one is gonna have a slot in the middle. Should be careful. Oh, my dumbass. I'm gonna drink a lot of water. What the fuck is this? See? You see what I mean? How garbage it is? Thank God I bought it off Amazon. It can't go through fucking wood. See? It doesn't have enough power to go through fucking wood. And minimum fucking wood. That's the minimum. And it says you can go through brick. And it's stripping my fucking screw as well. It's stripping my fucking screw. Look at this. Look at this. I really have to go through 4 or 5 exercises. I spent 40 on this. I'd rather put another extra $10. $20. See, is that... See, what the f*** is this? This is for wood, man. This is for fucking wood. Fuck me, dog. Fuck me. Not literally, but... This is asinine. And that fell. I was gonna move it anyway. I'm really gonna have to use the manual, aren't I? They can go themselves. Me. Look, I'm using my hands because I don't want to hurt my hands. I'm using a drill because I don't want to hurt my hands. Look, it stripped it. It stripped it. Fuck. Look how it stripped this one. And it stripped it. And it stripped it. And it stripped it. That's $3 in the garbage. No, that's a set. So I'm going to get that one. I have to get that set again. I need something to tie it.